Yes, it's on big historical news. A couple hours before the ceasefire established, they're showing Aleppo and Katan. They're trying to hit the people of Regine and Katan, Regine and Aleppo, and the people of Katan, the Islamic State of Katan. Regine is a gang, is a rebel group. They're fighting Regine, Katan. They're bombing them up good. Bombing them up good. Never be no peace once Bashar al-Assad's in power. Never be any peace. Never be any peace once Bashar al-Assad's in power. Won't ever happen. The guy's a butcher-ass maniac. Doesn't care. He admitted all he wants to do is squash Aleppo. Crush Aleppo. So he has power. It's never gonna end. It's never gonna end. It's not gonna end good. What we found Bashar al-Assad is bound to win these elections. He's got numbers. But it's a shame. It's a shame that he gets reelected. It'd be a shame if he gets reelected president. He's a butcher himself outside a maniac. But they're bombing Regime rebels. Qatar, Syria. Dozens and dozens of strikes. Not sure if it's the Russians or might be both Russians and the Syrian regime. I don't know. Doesn't say. This is 7 big storm rose.